Plantar fasciitis relief through daily habits. Plantar fasciitis. Heel pain does not own your day. This did not hit me during a workout. It showed up the morning after. First step out of bed. Sharp pain under the heel. I ignored it at first. Bad idea. Weeks passed. Pain stayed. My podiatrist was clear. This is not sudden damage. It is repeated stress over time that changed everything. What plantar fasciitis really is, the plantar fascia is connective tissue. It supports the foot arch. Overload creates micro-irritation. Inflammation follows. This mechanism is described by Mayo Clinic. There is no magic switch, but there is a fast path to improvement. What actually helped the most, not one trick. A simple routine done daily. Step 1: morning foot release before standing. I rolled a tennis ball slowly, 60 seconds per foot. This reduces tissue stiffness. Nia explains gentle loading helps fascia adapt. Step 2: calf and ankle stretch. Tight calves increase heel strain. This is shown in Journal of Orthopedic Research. I held each stretch 20 seconds. No bouncing. Step 3: supportive footwear. Flat shoes made pain worse. Arch support reduced stress instantly. This aligns with American orthopedic foot studies. Step 4: ice after activity. 10 minutes only. Not directly on skin. This helps calm inflammatory signals. Step 5: controlled strengthening. Toe curls with a towel. Short foot exercises. These improve load distribution. Documented in physical therapy science reviews. Why this works biologically: less morning stiffness. Better tissue hydration. Improved force sharing across the foot. Not instant healing, but fast relief progression. Timeline: I noticed. Day 3: mornings easier. Week 2: pain reduced clearly. Month 1: walking felt normal again. Important limits to know: results vary by weight and activity. Some movements may not suit everyone. Progress slowly and listen to pain. Possible side effects: overstretching can worsen irritation. Gentle always wins. Medical reminder: consult a specialist if pain persists. How I tracked progress: pain score each morning. Walking tolerance weekly. This taught me patience. Speed came from consistency. If this helped you, like the video and comment. Try one step tomorrow. Your feet will thank you.